This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. Starting with pricing, both of these tools immediately stand out because neither of them charges anything at all. Ledger is completely free to use, with no subscriptions, no tiers, and no paid upgrades hiding behind feature locks. You download it, install it, and you have full access to the system from day one. There are no limits on accounts, transactions, or reporting, which makes Ledger especially appealing for users who want serious accounting logic without ongoing costs. Firefly 3 is also completely free, but we'll come back to how its value proposition differs later. From a pure pricing perspective, Ledger is built around zero cost and full ownership, which is increasingly rare in modern finance software. Ledger is a command line based double entry accounting system designed for users who want precision, transparency, and absolute control over their financial data. It records transactions as plain text entries, allowing users to define accounts, commodities, budgets, and reporting rules with extreme flexibility. Ledger supports multi-currency accounting, investment tracking, scheduled transactions, budgeting, forecasting, and highly customizable financial reports. Because everything is text-based, users can version control their finances, audit changes over time, and integrate Ledger into automated workflows using scripts and external tools. Reporting is one of Ledger's strongest areas, as users can generate balance sheets, income statements, cash flow views, net worth tracking, and custom summaries using powerful query logic. Ledger's flexibility also extends to data ownership and longevity. Since files are simple text, they are future-proof, portable, and immune to vendor lock-in. Advanced users can integrate Ledger with spreadsheets, scripts, cron jobs, or other accounting tools, making it ideal for developers, engineers, and technically inclined finance users. Performance is extremely fast even with large data sets, and there are no imposed constraints on how accounts or categories must be structured. The pros of Ledger are control, transparency, and mathematical accuracy. It is incredibly powerful, free forever, and capable of handling very complex financial scenarios. It encourages disciplined accounting habits and provides unmatched reporting depth for users willing to invest time learning it. The cons are usability and accessibility. Ledger has no graphical interface by default, no guided setup, and a steep learning curve for non-technical users. It is not designed for invoicing, client billing, or business workflows, and it requires comfort with terminals, syntax, and documentation. For users who want simplicity or visual dashboards, Ledger can feel intimidating despite its power. Firefly 3 takes a very different approach compared to Ledger, even though both tools are free and open source. Firefly 3 is designed as a web-based personal finance manager that prioritizes clarity, visibility, and everyday usability over strict accounting formality. Instead of focusing on raw double-entry mechanics, Firefly 3 focuses on helping users understand where their money comes from, where it goes, and how spending behavior evolves over time. This makes it especially appealing for individuals who want insight and control without needing accounting expertise. Firefly 3 supports multiple asset accounts, expense accounts, revenue accounts, and liability tracking, allowing users to model real-world finances with more structure than basic budgeting apps. It includes powerful budgeting tools, category-based spending analysis, tagging systems, and recurring transactions for bills, subscriptions, and income. Users can track loans, savings goals, credit cards, and internal transfers between accounts, while maintaining a clean overview of net worth and cash flow. Multi-currency support is built in, which is valuable for users dealing with international income or expenses. One of Firefly 3's strongest advantages is visualization. The dashboard provides charts and timelines that clearly show spending trends, budget performance, account balances, and historical comparisons. Users can quickly identify problem categories, rising costs, or cash flow gaps without running manual reports. Firefly 3 also offers detailed filtering and search tools, making it easy to drill down into specific transactions, merchants, tags, or time periods. For users who want financial awareness rather than accounting theory, this visual feedback is extremely effective. The pros of Firefly 3 are usability, visual insight, and personal finance focus. It makes tracking money feel intuitive and informative rather than intimidating. It is ideal for individuals who want strong budgeting, spending awareness, and long-term financial clarity without subscriptions or data lock-in. The interface is modern, clean, and designed to encourage consistent financial habits. The cons are depth and accounting rigidity. Firefly 3 does not enforce strict double-entry accounting rules in the same way Ledger does, and it is not designed for business accounting, invoicing, payroll, or compliance reporting. Advanced accounting users may find its structure too flexible and its reports less suitable for formal financial statements. It is a finance insight tool first, not a professional accounting engine. There are no official Trustpilot or Capterra ratings available for Firefly 3 or Ledger, which is common for open source and self-hosted software. User feedback typically comes from GitHub discussions, community forums, and documentation rather than commercial review platforms. Experiences vary depending on technical comfort and deployment quality, so it's important to review community feedback and test the software personally. The final takeaway is straightforward. If you want maximum accounting precision, mathematical rigor, and complete control over your data, Ledger is unmatched for disciplined users who value accuracy over convenience. If you want a visual, approachable way to understand spending, manage budgets, and improve personal financial habits while keeping everything free and private, Firefly 3 is an excellent choice. Click the link below to explore both tools, try them yourself, and see which one fits how you actually manage your money. If this breakdown helped you choose smarter tools, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the links below to get started today.